Hi everyone, in today's video I will walk you through on how to become an affiliate partner of Agoda. This is Agoda's landing page. You just need to scroll down at the bottom of the website and look for Partner with Us tab. Click on Affiliates link. Click on Sign Up button. Here's where you can create your new account. So just need to enter our first name and our last name. Email address. My apologies. Forget my email. Should be testing purposes only 2019 at gmail.com. And let's select our password. Alright, and hit agree and submit. It's looking for cars. Okay, here, this, and this. Hit verify. You'll be getting a thank you message from Agoda. So this is the dashboard, but we need to check our email first to have it verified. Okay, click on it, and this is the email coming from Agoda. Just open this. Okay, so our email has been verified. So our next step is verify our domain. So in my case, I'll choose this, proceed, and then click this to copy the meta tag. So I've already logged into my WordPress dashboard. Okay, so go to appearance and then look for editor. Once you're on the editor page, look for theme header. There you have it. And make sure that you place the meta tag between the head HTML open and close HTML tag and then update file. Alright, so the next step that we need to do here is we need to go to our website just to make sure that we had successfully added on our home page. Okay, there you go. We had successfully added it. Right, so we just need to return to Agoda's dashboard, and here in this box, just put our website's URL. So in my case, it's libonmelangastv.com, and you can hit on submit for verification. We can try clicking this, and I'm pretty sure I'll be getting this notification right there. Okay, because I've already used my URL on my website. So, but you can try it yourself. Your website will be verified once there is no other account that has been linked on it. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. So on my next video tutorial, I'll be walking you through on how you can integrate Agoda's banners, text, or search box on your website. So this is the look and feel of Agoda's dashboard, and I will discuss more of this on my next video tutorial.